Now, you pour your apple cider vinegar on the cutting board. Just like that. Use your fingers loosely, rubbing around. You're gonna let that sit for about 10-15 minutes. Then you turn your hot steaming water back on. Turn it off. Stand it up. And lean it like this so it could dry. Or you stick it into your dish rack so it could dry. Then you be able to put it up and you have a clean cutting board. For more tips, subscribe to my channel. Hit the damn like button. Help me so I can keep helping you. I am a hobbyist. Everything I do, I save money. I make money. Do it yourself, okay?